Hi, today I'm the Galaxy A20s and I'll show you the fingerprint scanner test on this device. So I just set up my fingerprint to the scanner here, and now I'll make a couple of tries to unlock the device with my finger to see how fast this feature is and does it works. So let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So as we can see, the fingerprint unlock method works here fast and correct, and I was the simple touch unlock the device successfully. I'm not pressing it, just simple touch it. So now you can try this unlock method, but don't forget that the fingerprint is less secure than the passcode or pin code or pattern unlock methods. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.